Now, one thing I would like to tell you in this case is that in this case the addition of the water molecule to the alkene basically takes place through the anti-addition. So when we say anti-addition, basically in an electrophilic addition reaction, what happens is that we have an addition of electrophile, we also have the addition of nucleophile. So when we say anti-addition, so in this case what happens is that the electrophile and nucleophile attacks on the pi electron cloud but on the opposite sides. So basically when electrophile and nucleophile will be added in the compound, so these two will be on the opposite sides. And likewise also you can see that in the hydration of alkenes, the reaction which we have discussed just before, oxymercuration, demercuration, in that case also the addition of water molecule is an anti-addition case. So, but we have two things over here, that is we have alkenes of two types, which can be either a cis molecule or a trans molecule. If a cis molecule is there and the addition is anti, so what we have is we have the term like CAR to learn it, where CAR, in the CAR, C stands for cis, A stands for anti, and R stands for racemic mixture. That means whenever in a cis molecule, anti-addition is taking place, that means racemic mixture will be formed. So this is the way of learning that what kind of a product you will be getting on the addition, or you can say on the anti-addition in the cis molecule. Similarly, if suppose we have alkene as a trans alkene, and you are carrying out the either hydration of alkenes or you are carrying out oxymercuration, demercuration reaction, so in that case what will happen is again anti-addition takes place, but in this case the product formed will be a meso compound. So basically we say that we have a trans alkene and we have the anti-addition, and the product formed is a meso compound. So therefore we remember it like TAM, T-A-M, where T stands for trans, A stands for anti, and M stands for meso compound. So basically now we can brief this reaction as in that it is in the oxymercuration demercuration reaction, it involves the addition of the water molecule without the rearrangement, and the addition product is the anti-addition product. So therefore if it is a cis alkene, then the product formed will be a racemic mixture. If the alkene is a cis molecule, then the product formed will be a meso compound. So therefore also one more point is that product is formed without rearrangement. So this is a generalized reaction and the product formation takes place through the Markovnikov addition of H2O molecule. Now similarly, if suppose in this reaction instead of water molecule alcohol is attacking, instead of water molecule alcohol molecule is attacking, so all the steps of the mechanism as well as all the conditions of the reaction remains the same. There is no change in any of the condition or in any of the step. So the product formed in that case is a ether molecule, because if you see the mechanism, again let me explain this mechanism through an example. Suppose we have the same alkene, that is 3-methyl but1-ene, so it will be like CH3, CH3, CH double bond CH2. So first step, again what will happen is the pi electron cloud of this alkene will attack on the mercuric diacetate molecule, and from the mercuric diacetate molecule acetate ion will be released as a nuclear